Hello students and welcome to Introduction to Ag for 9/12/2018. Today's assignment is going to be mostly found on the website. With being found on the website, you've hopefully done the direction or the daily work, and now you've clicked on the video directions, and that's why you're watching this. If you click on the Husker Harvest Days alternative assignment, up will pop this particular website. And you're going to be doing the same thing that the students are doing there. They're at Husker Harvest Days. And this video will give you the directions on how we're going to investigate the career pathways in agriculture education. First thing you'll need to do is save a copy of this. So, excuse me, save a copy to wherever you want to make this a copy to in your Introduction to Ag class. And then you will open up the Career Pathways sheet on the website. I've also linked it here, so you could open it up here, or you can go back to here and open it up this way. And so that Career Pathways sheet opens up our 7 different career pathways that are listed right here. Pick one of the career pathways from that first page. So I'm just going to choose Power and Structural. And so I'm going to choose Power and Structural. After I choose Power and Structural, I'm supposed to pick one of the businesses that are listed on the back of page 2. Now, I picked Power and Structural, so I'll come back to this back side. This is Plants, this is Agri-Systems, this is Animal Systems, Environmental Systems. There she is. She's right here with Power and Structural. So you'll find one of these different businesses that you want to look up. So you pick out one of those. After picking out one of those, we move to the next slide, and it's step 3. Pick one of the slides 5 through 11 on this document. So this particular document has slide 5 all the way down here to slide 11. You just need to pick one of them that doesn't have anything in it. When you pick it, in the title box, identify which pathway the business is. So I picked Power and Structural, so I'll identify Power and Structural. Then I will, in the text box, identify the name of the business and a business description. I chose a different one that's at Husker Harvest Days, and it's the 3J&G Shade LLC. And though it's not listed on yours, you guys can use the ones that's listed on yours. I just didn't want to take one away from you all, so my example's a little bit different than yours, but it's the same gist into that you have your business. Then, underneath the business, you have what they do. This one makes portable shade covers for livestock. The last thing to do on that slide is to, in the blank space, add a logo or picture identifying the company. I went to the website, and if you Google search that particular business, this is the website. I can find a shade cover. I can find their logo. You can use something to that range, copy it, and then paste it onto the website. After that, repeat steps 2 through 3 to the remaining pathways. The last step is step number 5. With step number 5, you are going to share your document with me. Please give me comment ability and identify your name on the document. The easiest way to do this is to go back to the title slide, go to the title slide, and enter your name. So to do that, just go right back up to here, Husker Harvest Days, and enter your name right here. Okay? Then you'll share me your document. It should then have slides 5 through 11 with this particular example-like item on all these slides. I will be able to judge its name, its business description, and which pathway it is, giving you kind of the experience that they were able to do at Husker Harvest Days today. If you have questions, please make sure you save them till Thursday, and I will be back. I do expect it to be done on Thursday so that you can be a viable component to our discussion in the classroom from when we come back from the trip.